In the next episode could begin with Adil apparently surrendering to tumor and agreeing to save only one person. The twist would be that Adil chose Fadmi. This will show everyone because Ismi is his life and Eleni is his daughter. But Adil may have a strange reason. He knows Ismi and Eleni understand him well enough to recognize a plan. While Fadmi is positioned closer to a weak point in the trap, once in life, Fadmi could attack a guard, seize the key, and create the opening needed to free the other. This would give Fadmi a heroic moment and show why Adil trusted her with first move. After the family escaped forever, Fadmi may be furious that Adil left with all their lives without explaining anything. Her anger would echo Ismi's deeper frustration. Adil keeps treating the people he loves as peace in plan. Only he understands for the first time. Fadmi and Ismi mind stand together and force him to hear that leadership is not the same as control. Adil struggle with criticism especially because his plan work, but Eleni may quietly tell him that surviving does not make every decision right. This family confrontation could be more important than the action itself. If his wound is not fatal, may awaken to find that his authority has weakened. Some Furtina men believe him for allowing Adil to punish the family. Others see his survival as a sign that he should end the feud. He could make a bold decision to dissolve an old council or remove the people who continue demanding blood. That would move create enemies inside his own house. Emaire Hala may arrive at the same time and view weakness as an opportunity for the Kusari to gain the upper hand. Adil may surprise her by refusing. He could tell his aunt that he is done winning through another family destruction. This would establish the ideological divide between them. Then Tumor's son might exploit that disagreement by approaching rather than Adil. He could hide information about the Frutinas in exchange for business assets. Emaire may pretend to consider it only to learn his attention, but the audience will not know whether she is truly playing him or beginning her own alliance. The episode could end with Ismi seeing Emaire and the younger Volker speaking in secret.